Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So, students, those on you, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you a new topic, Roman numerals. Yes. So this will be the first class, and today's objective will be we're going to learn about the Roman numerals, rules of repetition and rules of addition. So how to write Roman numerals, what are the rules in expressing various numbers in the form of Roman numerals. So all these things we're going to learn in the today's class. So yes, so let's go to the gallery of a school. You must have seen something written like this at the top of the door. In every class 4th A, class 5th B. So what are this? V, I, X. So yes, so this is Roman numerals. But how do you know that these are Roman numerals? Okay, the system of representation is known as Roman numeral systems. So Roman numerals is a system of writing numbers which is used in many places. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. This is how we represent Roman numerals. Okay, so this you may have known so far. So even in some clocks it is like this. So yes, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is represented by V. Okay, I represents 1. So 5 and 1 is 6. So if it is at the right side, we need to add 5 plus 1 is 6. If it is at the left side, we need to subtract. That's all. Okay, 7, 8, and one more thing. For 9, we can't write 4 eyes. Okay, so rules of repetition, addition, we will learn this now. So 9 is, this is 10 and this is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so yes, so let's learn in detail about this. There are standard Roman numeral representations of some numbers. 1 is represented as I, 5 is represented as V, 10 is represented as X, and 50 is represented as L. C is for 100, D is for 500, and M is for 1000. Okay, so note this down if you want this. So I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, and L represented 50, C represents 100, D represents 500, and M represents 1000. So what about the next numbers? Yes, there are next numbers like V bar and all is there. So yes, it will represent, see this. M is represented by 1000. Okay. If you want 5000, it is represented as V bar. Yes. So these are few numbers. Okay. This is how we can write Roman numerals 1, 2, 3. For 4, it is represented as 5 minus 1 as we discussed. For 10, it is X. For 9, it is IX. Okay. 11, 12, 13. The maximum we can represent is 3. Okay. After that, we need to use something else. So XIV represents 4. So 10 and 4, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So yes, 40 is LX. So be careful here. So here 40. Okay, LXI will represent 41. Okay, so yes. But how to write this Roman numeral? Is there any trick? Yes, there are trick. Let's check them out. Okay, so here comes the rules. Okay, to write Roman numerals. Let's see the rules of repetition. Rule of repetition, a rule of addition, rule of subtraction. Okay, so the first rule of repetition. Repetition of Roman numerals means add. So I represents 1 1, which represents add them. XX represents 20 and CC represents 200. Yes. So can you write this number? This represents 5 1 1 1. So it is 8. This represents 10. 10 and 2 is 12. M. M stands for 1000. So 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. Yes. So rules of repetition. See, the letter I, X, C and M can be repeated maximum up to 3 times, not more than that. Okay. So one represented, I represents 1, double I 2, triple I 3. Okay, we can't write now. Since we have represented 3 times, we can't write 4 stripes and say it is 4. Okay, so see this L stands for 50 and 60, 70, 80. This is 80. This is 5 6 7. This is 100 plus 30, which is 130. Got this? Yes. Now how to represent 18? So yes, so 18, 10 is represented by X, 8 is represented by V triple I. This is 18, 25, double X and V. 301. How can you represent 100? 100 is represented by C and triple C and I. That is the answer of 301. So maximum you can repeat is 3 times, not more than that. Only the letters I, X, C and okay. Yes. See, writing words such as VV is wrong. Letters V which represent 5, L which represents 50 and D which represents 500, we can only use this once. Okay. So yes, let's move ahead and check out the rule of addition. So yes, if a letter symbol is smaller, its value written to the right, we need to add them. If a letter smaller is written to the left, we need to subtract. V 5 and 1. 5 is greater, so it is at the right side. 1 is at the right side, so add them. Okay, CXX. C stands for 100, 110, 120. L stands for 50, 60, 70, 71. So 71 is the answer. So can you represent this numbers? Let's solve them. So this represents 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. This represents 100, 110, 111, 112. This represents 50, 60, 72. MC, MC, M stands for 1000 and C stands for 100. So 1000 and 100. Now write down the Roman numerals for the given number. So yes, 15. X is for 10 and 5 is for V. So XV. 9 IX. Okay. Use rule of subtraction. So 9 can be represented as 10 minus 1, which is 9. This is 10 and V. 24. 20 is represented by 2x. 4 is represented by IV. 85. Okay, so first represent 50, which is L, 60, 70, 80 and 5 is represented by V. 185. C, L, triple X, this is 180 and oh yeah, yes. So strange, they invented all the numbers, okay, but they did. invent zero? Okay, zero. We are proud to say like Indians invented zero. Yes. Write the following Roman numerals as Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, write in Hindu Arabic numbers, Indian numbers. L stands for 50, 55. C stands for 100, 100 plus 10 plus 8, 118. So 100. Okay, so here there is okay 100 and D. See, D represents 500. Okay, it is before that, so it is 420 and 6, 426. MDCL M represents 1000, D represents 500, C represents 100, L represents 50, and 1652. This is how we write this number, 1650. M 1000, D 500, CL. Okay, so C represents 100, L represents 50. Okay, XIX, this is 10 and this is 9. So 1669. This is how we write the numbers. Yes. So what have we learned today? Today we have learned about how to the rules used to write Roman numerals. So that's all for today. Yes, students, those who are new, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.